Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on TikTok. Very simple and easy. Let's launch the TikTok app. Then I want you to click on profile in the lower right corner. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to click on the first option, which is account. When you're at account, you have an option that is called switch to business account. If you click on switch to business account, you will be prompted in 5 steps, and then you will be able to get more analytics, more business tools, especially if you're selling product or service, especially if you have an online store, especially if you're running ads. This will not impact your current content, and this is noted by TikTok. They said that your existing videos and content will not be affected by these changes. This simply will give you additional menus, additional features, and like I said, things that are not available. You will have in-depth analysis of if you're running ads, which ads are performing, if you're selling products, which products are selling, tips, suggestions, how to improve the marketing and how to create the marketing campaigns, so on and so forth. But this is how you switch from personal account or creator account to business account on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.